You need a way to record timestamps whenever your spreadsheet is edited. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a simple script, just like this, to record timestamps no matter where in the project you are, and it'll record it in a specific column. So let's open the app script by going to extensions and app script, and then let's put together our script. So we'll just call this script, just keep it simple. And then we're going to use the native on edit function, and Google automatically reads this every time you update the Google Sheet. And then we just need to put E inside this parentheses, and this is going to capture the data from every time the spreadsheet is edited. All right, so let's grab some variables from this. So from our E, we need to get the range that was edited. We'll do that using e.range, and then I'm going to assign it to a variable called range. And then let's get the column. So range.getColumn, and then let row, range.getRow. And then finally, let's just check what tab name this is. And so we'll do this by sheet or tab name. So let's just call it sheet name for now. And then we're going to use e.source, get active sheet, and get name. And then what we're going to do is just do a simple if statement. And we want to check the sheet name if it is lead management. And so you can adjust this as needed if you have different tabs, or if you want this to work on all your spreadsheet, then just get rid of this entirely. And then I'm going to add another condition using double ampersand. And so that combines multiple conditions. And I'm going to exclude our last updated column. I'm just going to check what column number this is. So that's 10, and I'm going to X out so I don't overwrite that. And so as long as the column is not equal to 10, then I want this to run. And then I could add if it's only past row 1. And so I do another ampersand and do row is greater than 1. So let's go ahead and do this now. And then all we need to do is get our timestamp, so that way we can add it to our sheet. So let timestamp equal to utilities, and I'm going to do a format date. So I could just do new date, but then it would show up as a big long string. And so I'm going to actually format it first. And then I'm creating the new date with this new date. I'm going to note what time zone. And so I'm going to do GMT -5. That's my time zone. And then for the format of the date, and so this is what happens in this utilities format date. We set the date, time zone, and then how we want the date to display. So I'm going to do a single digit for the month, a single digit for the day, 2 digits for the year, and I'm going to add a timestamp. So hours, minute, and then A for AM, PM. All right, so now we just need to get the sheet. So we'll just do sheet equals to E, and we're going to go back to that source and get active sheet. And then sheet.getRange, and then I'm going to do it to the same row. And then the column will be 10, and set value, timestamp, just like that. And this will automatically run for anyone that's using it because we're not using any restricted scopes. So let's make sure this is saved, and then we can go over here and we can go ahead and test this out. And there we go. Our timestamp is working. So that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.